Hello and welcome to Carricktown Garage. This is our video review of my 1971 Volvo P1800. Now, this car is a couple of months younger than I am, and I've owned her for 24 years. Yes, 24 years. She's had 6 owners, including me, in total, and has done a genuine 64,000 miles. Now, when I got her, she was a really good solid car. We had some replacement panels done and a full respray, which was obviously done quite a while ago, but has held up really well. She's been off round Europe, she's been down to France, she's been to Italy, she's been Luxembourg, Germany, she's been everywhere in the time that I've owned her. And she's done very little mileage in the last few years with running Carricktown and everything else, I had her fully restored underneath about 5 years ago, which is another reason why I haven't used her, because basically underneath she's all brand new. So I had all the suspension components, everything. You'll see on the pictures, she's absolutely stunning underneath. Jump in, turn the key, away she goes. She's got the B20E engine. So the B20 engine was Volvo's legendary, reliable engine, absolutely bomb-proof. And she's got fuel injection. So she's a very modern car. She goes like stink. It's a 2 litre. She does pull really well. And it's just cool as heck. I mean, these cars are super rare now, you know, are really coming into their own. And Volvo, the company that makes square boxes, you know, they built this stunning car, designed in cooperation with Gear, hence the styling very similar to the Carman Gear. All the parts are still readily available and everything else, service bits and pieces, I've come to the conclusion it's that time to part with her so somebody else can have some fun with her. Anyway, look, I'm going to stop waffling. As usual, I'm waffling too much. Let's go and have a look around the car. So here we are, my Volvo P1800. She's pretty much spot on. I will point out anything that I know of the car, but front wing and everything here, absolutely perfect. And front wheel there, a little bit of lacquer peel on the wheels. They're magnesium alloy on this, and if you can see under the wheel arches, you can see that she's all freshly painted and absolutely pristine, hence why I've not driven her since she was restored. Bonnet and everything all really lovely. Front windscreen there, still got the official Volvo stamp on it. There's a couple of little dents in here. These are made out of brass, these side pieces, and they slide on and off and they do get damaged. There's a couple of little dents in that one as well, on there, but very tiny. A little bit of pitting in the chrome on the window there. Everything on this car is all, it's really original. I didn't buy any extra components or anything. I tried to keep everything as original as possible. There's a dent in the front grille, and I'll explain that shortly. The rear wheel there, again, you can see under the arches and everything, absolutely pristine. Around the back of the car, all the chrome work I had replated by Peterborough Plating. A little bit of pitting in it because these are cast alloy, and then chromed, same on the centre bar. But the chrome work is all pristine. This is from when they dipped it to clean it, to remove the old chrome before re-chroming. All the bumpers and everything are absolutely perfect. All the car's wax oiled. It's got a ton of wax oil in it. Even the bumpers are all wax oiled behind to stop any rust. Rear wheel there, again, it's all spot on underneath and painted. Coming down the passenger side, oh, look at the shine on the bonnet, it's just lovely, isn't it? Front wheel there, around the front. Now I think the indicators are upside down. I've got a feeling we did that. I can't remember when we did that. I think it was when it was done originally. Now there's a dent in the front grille here. I've never changed it, and the reason behind it is I got contacted by the second owner of the car and found out that the first owner had driven the car home from the dealership and caught the grill on the garage when he drove the car in to the garage just after he bought it. So that dent has been there since the car was new. There was just something telling me not to ever change it. You can buy replacement grill surrounds, but something just made me leave it, and that's the reason why. So I had the seats and the upholstery all done, all new leather and everything when I did all the bodywork. On the rear of the car there. That's me with my silicone polish cloth. I've caught it on the seat there. All new carpets as well. As you can see up here, she's covered 64,203 miles. Still got the little sticker on the rev counter there to say about it rotating. Modern radio, which somebody, when they put it in, caught the dash there. Let's see a little mark on the dash. 4-speed auto with overdrive. She does have the overdrive box on this. Seat belts, all important seat belts. Good old Volvo. The door cards were new, top and bottom. At the time, I don't know if you can now, but at the time you couldn't get the centre ones. Sorry, just go back to the back here. The rear seat folds flat as well. There's the headlining. That's all original. I've never messed with that. And we'll open the bonnet. There's a lever here for opening the bonnet, like that. We'll come round to the passenger side. She was supplied new by Rudds of Worthing. I don't believe she's a Rudd speed car. I'd like to think she was, but she's not. There's a lot of sound insulation under the carpet. I did really go to town with the sound insulation. This was before the days of Dynamat. Again, all the windows and everything. You've got the Volvo logo on there. Then under the bonnet, the sound insulation. Now this is all original. I've not messed with this. I've not touched it deliberately because it's so original and so clean. I've done all the brakes, brake pipes and everything. They've all been done. Got the brake booster there. Heater fan. Like I said, she is fuel injected. She does have a Luminiscent ignition system. You can see that tucked up under the wing there. But I've done nothing in here. This is exactly as she was. I do like things to be original. See the original sticker down there as well. I've replaced the under bonnet sound insulation. Obviously, it disintegrated long ago. She's always started and always runs spot on. Come to the back. Look at that. No smoke, nothing. Absolutely spot on. And this has been started from coal. She's been sat here for quite a while. Stainless steel exhaust on her as well. Just runs so lovely, this engine, it really does. And there you have it. That's our video review of my 1971 Volvo P1800. It's quite emotional doing this video, to be honest. Yeah, 24 years, it's a long time, you know, nearly, wow, half my life. Anyway, should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart, and our website is www.carrotttowngarage.co.uk. Please check out our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and our Instagram, and also check out our merchandise in our shop online. Should you have any more questions, like I say, just give me a call, and thanks ever so much for watching. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.